KNW stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to be answering everything around that in this brief short 1-minute video. Just ultimately looking at no labs. With 2% correction, this is how my chart is looking like. After that pump up, I don't think that I've recovered. Like, I don't think that I've mentally recovered, because I'm looking to just get involved and just demolish these. What happened was just complete, you know, filled in a gap, whatnot type of way. I'm not giving up on this, since, I mean, this is totally a fair break. And this is even giving me like a fair game, in which case, once we open up tomorrow and if I see a proper shift, I think this could be like kind of the last hope that I have if I don't feel FOMO, you know, to get involved. But guess what? If this thing was gonna, you know, pump up, I guess if there was like some more juice left to take it up, this is easy. This could easily be happening. So I'm gonna keep you updated. Obviously not forcing unless rules are met. This sounded weird, but if you do want to learn, I have previous receipts in the Discord, but if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails and insights.